Alright, people. See that video here? And me and my son alone live, you know, so. Alright, I'm 18 years old, you know. I'm full 19 this year. But he act as if he love me. I mean, tell me he love me, not really act. He show me like he love me, so I'm going to find out if he really love me for true, because, you know, I'm sitting and buy one toothpaste, so in time he come back, I'm going to pretend like say me I'm mad. And then I'm going to see what I'm going to do and hold my weight and see if he really love his father. You see me? Yeah, man, alright. Not say nothing, man. Alright. Look. Alright, you come. Come. Okay, back. Okay, back. You come in a white suit. 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 Help, daddy, I'm mad. Help, daddy, I'm mad. I'm mad, oh, I'm mad. Daddy, I'm mad, oh. Oh, daddy, I'm mad. Daddy, I'm mad. Daddy, watch you. Help somebody else. Hey, if you are subscribe, how me go on? Hey. Oi. Daddy, I'm mad. Oi, me daddy, I'm mad. Oi. Daddy, I'm mad. Daddy, I'm mad. Hey, you think I'm getting killed? Yo. Help somebody else. Daddy, I'm mad. What you talking? Daddy, I'm mad. Oh, daddy, I'm mad. Oh, daddy, I'm mad. Why they gonna be close? They gonna be close. Help somebody help me, oi! Help! They gonna be close. You gonna get help, you know? You gonna get help, yo. If I know say happy, I hack you. Yo, man, comment and subscribe, you know. You want to more this video, man, yeah. Put on the shots, yeah. Put on the camera, no one can call up with all. But man, you can't call, you don't know anything, you know, say, I'm going to act already. So watch my viewers and subscribe. Alright, come. What you see up there? What you see me tell you thing down your mad. Come here now. Down your mad. Come here bongo. You mad down your. What are you mad down your? Come here man. Yo, get some time. Get some time. I want to. Get some time. Get some time. I want to. Time up, man. Yo, get away! Why? Viewers and subscriber, look at me late. I want to run continuous. I want to remember to subscribe and share and comments and press the notification bell that me can notify you here. Thumbs up, respect and thanks and manners.